Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto in a wallet using an easy method. We'll cover the essential steps to move your digital assets safely and efficiently. First, you'll need to understand the fundamental process of sending and receiving cryptocurrency. Then, we'll walk through finding your unique receiving address, which is crucial for any transaction. Finally, I'll show you how to initiate the transfer from your sending wallet, ensuring a smooth experience. The first critical step is to find your receiving wallet address. Open your cryptocurrency wallet application where you want to receive the funds. Look for a button or section labeled Receive or Deposit. This will display your unique alphanumeric wallet address, which is typically a long string of characters. Make sure to copy this address accurately. It's also vital to confirm the network type. For example, ERC20 or BEP20 matches your sending wallet to avoid losing funds. Now, open the cryptocurrency wallet from which you intend to send the assets. Locate and select the Send or Withdraw option within your wallet interface. Carefully paste the receiving wallet address you copied earlier into the designated address field. It is extremely important to ensure this address is correct. Next, enter the precise amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Some wallets may also ask you to select the network, so confirm it matches the receiving wallet's network. Before finalizing, take a moment to meticulously review all the transaction details. Double-check the receiving wallet address to ensure it is exactly correct, and confirm the amount of cryptocurrency you are sending. Remember, once a cryptocurrency transaction is confirmed and sent, it is irreversible. After a thorough review, proceed to confirm the transfer. You can then monitor the transaction status on the blockchain, which usually takes a few minutes to several minutes, depending on the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.